Hey everybody, I'm back. This is Natalie with SalonBusinessMarketingTools.com, and today I just want to talk about getting from behind the chair. One of the main reasons why I started Salon Business Marketing Tools was to help salon professionals with getting new clients into their salon, as well as increasing their profits and selling retail. But most importantly, I wanted to help salon professionals get from behind the chair, or get from behind the esthetician table, the massage table, just get from behind the chair, period, where you're actually physically having to service clients in order to make money. There's so many ways as a salon professional or beauty professional that you can make money where you don't have to wait on someone to service. I remember when I went to school for cosmetology, and just even being in school, I remember thinking, how long am I really going to be able to do this? Or how long do I want to do this? How long do I really want to stand behind the chair and depend on clients coming in for me to make money? Or most importantly, what happens when I get older, or as I start aging, my feet start hurting and I want to retire? What else can I do? So this video basically, I'm hoping will help you to start thinking outside of the box. So this is a video of one of many that will come up, but basically it's about selling what you know. Have you ever thought about that? Have you ever thought about that you could be making money showing people or telling people or giving people information about what it is you do? You're awesome when you service the clients. Their hair looks great, their skin looks great, maybe their body looks great because you're a massage therapist. But have you thought about teaching them how to do some of these things themselves? Or better yet, maybe you're great at training other salon professionals or other beauty professionals. Have you thought about creating a product that showing where you can teach other people to do what you do, or train them without them having to actually be in front of you? These are all things. This is what we call information products. You can sell an ebook, you can create audio tapes or CDs, you could create an e-course, webinars. There's so many things you can do to get from behind the chair, and selling information is the #1 thing you can do for your business as it relates to beauty. I'm so excited for the future of our industry, and I'm so excited for the salon owners and beauty professionals that I work with, because I know that not only are they able to make money with servicing clients, but now they can begin to build a different clientele without them having to physically labor day in and day out and make the same amount of money, if not more, sharing the information about something that they love. So I just wanted to plant that seed in you. Start thinking about products that you can sell, or things that you can do outside of being behind the chair. Definitely leave some comments below and some suggestions below. I'd love to hear from you. This was just a quick excerpt. It was on my spirit to just kind of talk about that and let you know that there are so many opportunities out there for us as salon professionals and beauty professionals that we don't need to miss out because we're stuck doing the same old thing over and over again. Again, I'm Natalie with SalonBusinessMarketingTools.com, and you can get some additional free resources, especially on creating your own products, by visiting our website at SalonBusinessMarketingTools.com/secrets. I look forward to talking to you in the next videos. And again, if you like what you've heard, subscribe to our channel. Talk to you later. Bye.